Dear viewers, dealing with the test data is very important when you start working with the real-time tests. The first thing when it comes to test data, which strikes me is the faker test data, basically the fake test data. Writing names, especially when you're dealing with US clients. Even in India, I heard that with Indian names there is a new fakery pay being built. Okay, different story altogether. We'll leave it for now. The phone numbers, the cities, states, and all, uh, those all we have to write explicitly, right? Instead of rewriting it, let's randomize it using the faker data. Okay, that is this particular dependency, faker-js/faker would take care of it. And then next we'll talk about for each loop, how we can run multiple test data against a single test case all at once. Okay, we'll deal with it. Going back to VS Code, this is the previous test which we have generated. Just starting from the Blaze demo, we entered certain city names. Okay, San Diego to Rome, and then we selected certain flight, and then we entered certain credit card details, personal details of a person, and just finally saw the thank you purchase today. This is just a demo site. Okay, we took with it, and now I'm going to edit the playwright config.ts file where I would be running on Chromium. Okay, so this particular thing, and if you want, you can rename it and call using project. Okay, I am trying to rename this to Bliss demo. Okay, and I'm not going to call these because as you see here, I am three tests are being run for the same worker. Now I'll only call this using the project tag. So the execution, the mobile stuff and all, you can go ahead. This is particularly a bit fast. I'm taking right now a bit fast. Okay. So here npx playwright test. This is all you remember, no? Npx playwright test. Okay, which is nothing but executing playwright library with the test tag. Okay, I am writing it for you. Npx playwright test. We are using which folder? Test folder itself. Test slash capital V, no, record, right? Capital R type tab. Okay, that will give me the remaining a part of the thing, and then I am making sure I am running this in headed mode. Okay, so I'm using a default, almost default config.ts file. Going forward, we'll do the relevant changes. Okay, even I went into parts on Allure right now. Okay, we'll just read the reporter. Okay, right now I'm giving it headed hyphen hyphen project equal to the name of the project which we gave is Bliss demo. Bliss demo. Okay, if I like we use workers equal to 1. Now what happens is only on the desktop Chrome this entire test would run. Okay, with one worker as usual, and the headed is we'll be able to see the view of execution for which test case, this test case. Okay, Blaze demo test case. Okay, um, having said that, for people who have missed the previous sessions, maybe just look into this. Now I'll be executing this. I'm sure this test case should fail. If not, yeah, it's a mere luck. Okay, so San Diego, I clicked on things. Okay, it didn't fail. It's all passed. Okay, the command only took one test case with one worker. Fine, we are fine with this. But hey, Varun, you may ask me, we are talking about test data, right? What are we doing here right now, the test data? Thanks for asking. So, so here previously I entered my name. Now, instead of writing my name, what I'll do is I'll remove my name here. Okay. So for fill part, we had to do something. Okay. So what I'll be doing is I'll create mm, one folder, maybe per se, we call it common, but not inside test. Ideally, it should be outside of test. Or yeah, let's take it here, common. Okay. Within common, I'll be adding first thing is test data dot ts file. Since we're only dealing with one project, one test data, we kept it here. Maybe if at all we deal with multiple projects, we'll delete a separate way. And also common base. I'll be updating this common base right away going forward. Uh, into the Git repository. For now, ignore this creation. I will only talk about test data. So in the test data standpoint, we talked about Faker data, right? Faker API, right? So we'll be importing Faker. Okay, import Faker from where? Oh, we didn't write. We didn't install Faker. No, that Faker full name Faker -js slash. Hey, it is throwing me error. Why? Because this is a this is a third party dependency. Correct. Because cannot find this module. Where are we searching for the modules? We are searching for the modules in node modules. Correct. Okay. Having said that, we have to install this faker. How to install this third party dependency? Okay, come down. Okay, type npm install the above one. We'll see if this works. npm install faker.js slash faker. I think there is something going on in the terminal as you see. Wow, this has been updated. Okay, nice. So now it is saying your uh, red color mark went away. It's saying, hey, you're using unused import for faker. So let's go on with using this. Okay, before that, we'll also export. Uh, Okay, so this refers to certain object creation stuff. Okay, how do we call and all. So before that, let export figure data flag, which is boolean, and mark it to true. Also, we'll do one more thing. Export const. The name of the file is a record place. Ideally, the names would be with in the format of ticket number. Basically, those. Okay. So let's start talk in that language only. So let's say Blaze demo, right? So bd hyphen 001 underscore. This is the demo script which we created. So bd hyphen 001. That is our test case name. Okay, then the test data we'll write using underscore bt hyphen 001 works. Nah, states, no, you can't do that. Maybe this works. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is the test case. This is the first we are instantiating a array. This is an array. Okay, array of what? Array of objects. Export const. Okay, so right now what we have done is we created a faker data flag which of type boolean. Okay, this means that we are trying to use this faker data flag in the next um, test case. Fine, I'm marking it to true so that we can use it directly. If this is false, maybe something else happens. We'll see how the equations go on. Okay, on the first BD001, I'll be writing the first name, which is basically my test case has. It's part of it. Okay, the first name and last name should be there, and the street address and city. Okay, I'll go to the test data. Basically is the full name. or first last name they talked it. Now let me take in that manner only. Okay. Uh, from where? Basically, it is faker. If faker data flag is true, then if it is true, then use faker dot person dot okay person dot first name ideally. Mm, faker is an object. Okay, let me complete this full. So this part of it is okay. Yeah, this is question mark. Okay, faker dot person has no arguments. Okay, okay, let's complete this first. Faker dot person first name colon. Maybe the name is Varun Sivaj. Faker dot. Let's see what is the problem. It is saying, hey, the expression is not callable. Type person model has no call signatures. Mhm. Let me remove it then for the time being. Okay. Faker dot person dot first name. Okay. This helps. Okay. If not, okay. So what is this expression finally evaluates is this is the first last name. Okay, like let me write it in the format of first name. Okay. It'll be easy for me to say it out. Okay. So do not get panic if you have these kind of scenarios. It's something it will take certain time when it gets updated. Yeah. So first name, figure data flag. What is this figure data flag? So since figure data flag is true, we are making sure if faker is true, then take this one. If faker is true, take this one. Else, take this hard-coded one. So this is what maybe in your company you might have this address or name verification stuff and all. So basically, constant name has to be fixed or a fixed name has to be placed at that juncture. You can use these kind of stuff. Okay, so this is hard-coded and this is the randomized stuff. Okay, and then we also saw that we need city. Right now, I'll consider city as directly a faker one. There is no need per se. Or do you want me to do? I'll do that. Figure out a flag, question mark, faker dot city. City is not directly there. Maybe address or hmm, person dot. There's no city. Okay. Hmm, place maybe not place. Let's see what all it provides. Okay. Animal, color, company. Now helpers, image, location. Correct. Dot. City. Okay. You call this or give Hyderabad. Likewise, we'll be. This is the test data which we'll be using in the test case. Okay. I'll be rightly writing here. The name of it is bd underscore 001 underscore. Okay, dot. Okay, it is saying, hey, you have a issue because you can't directly use it. Try using a quick fix. I'll be trying using this quick fix. Add import. Yes, I am imported right now. Okay, so there's common test data coming up here. Okay, now it is saying, what are you want? What do you want? I'm writing. I'm saying, hey, call me. Okay, here you remember. You see this? Mm, I directly used an array of objects, and this array has the only one object. That one object is this one, and this object internally has two particular key value pairs. Okay, so when we talk about an array, and here the array's first index is 0. Okay, so that's the same thing which I'm going to give here. Okay, you may ask me, hey, you can directly use one, instead of writing this, we can directly remove these flower braces and directly use it. But I have a reason why. You'll understand in just a minute. Okay, dot. What instead of writing dot, you need to mention 0. Okay, dot first name, because yeah, there we have two. Okay, now it's gone. And likewise, city also. Instead of here Hyderabad, I'll be taking it out here underscore bd, to giving the braces 0 dot city. Perfect. Now if I run this test case, the test data actually comes from this test data dot ts file. See, it's as simple as that. Okay, now I'll be executing, stating npx playwright test slash uh bd tab. Oh, it's not test, right? It's test folder. B tab. Okay, hyphen hyphen workers equal to 1, hyphen hyphen headed, hyphen hyphen project equal to, you remember we wrote Blaze demo in small letters. So click enter. That pops me up with one test on a worker, and the test data will be okay. See, nice. I didn't get. Okay. Just for your case to see the results, the city name, or okay, after city name, let me put pause. Okay, await page dot pause. Okay, no, it's as simple as that. This brings us to choice. Okay, so previously the name here was Naesa and something. Okay, and now the city is New Monty. Okay, which we didn't give anywhere, New Monty. Okay, the city actually we gave on the hard coded stuff is Hyderabad. Okay, but it is taking it from this faker. Okay, so this is, and this name and the first name and the city would randomize every time. You might not get the same details the next time. Okay, so I'll continue the test data session in the next video as well. For now, I'm stopping it here. And for people who wanted to continue, or this is I mentioned about test.await, I mean page.await, just click on this step over. It will go to the next one individually. Okay, step by step. Or if at all you wanted to click one resume F8, it will continue all in until you get any other breakpoint. The test case still passed. You can see the report. That's how it goes. Yeah, thank you.